A pickaxe pen, a llama organizer, a creeper marker, a map in a notebook, and a Chug Jug in a pencil case? It's a Minecraft versus Fortnite school supplies battle. Find out which game wins and which school supplies are better in our video. Miss Smith enters the classroom. The boys turn on dance mode instead of learning. They do not respond to their teacher's remarks. Then Miss Smith takes out her new pickaxe pointer. Come on, stop it! Miss Smith is a real warrior. She will discipline them quickly with her pickaxe. The teacher asks them to show her their finished work. Stevie is all done. He made a little Fortnite marshmallow pickaxe. Shape light black clay into a cylindrical marshmallow. Roll out light white clay. Cut out a strip to fit the base. Draw the signature face and cut it out. Wrap the black base with it. Cut out a white circle for the top. Attach it to the marshmallow. Make a smaller imprint on the bottom. Put the marshmallow onto a pen. Come on, Stevie, show us your pickaxe. This is a real marshy smasher. Excellent job! Now you can do your marshmallow dance on the desk. Ben has a weapon from his favorite game Minecraft too. It's a diamond pickaxe pencil made from 3D pixels. Coat a pencil with black acrylic paint. Put decorative cube beads together to make a pickaxe handle. Hot glue them and color with acrylic paint. Make the top of the pickaxe out of beads too. Attach it to the handle and color it so that it looks like the one in the game. Hot glue the pencil to the ready piece. The boys compete and compare their weapons. Both of them have excellent designs, ergonomic shapes, and most importantly, they are practical. A pencil versus a pen? Who will win? Minecraft or Fortnite? Miss Smith declares a tie with her pickaxe of justice. The score is 0-0. The teacher is assigning some homework, and Ben immediately brags about his new notebook. It's more than just a notebook, it's an educational Minecraft puzzle. Measure Velcro to be the height of a sketchbook. Cut strips of the right size and cover the entire sketchbook with one side of Velcro. Cut the other side of Velcro into squares. Cut out colorful squares of felt and foam rubber sheets the same way. Hot glue them to the Velcro squares and attach the pieces to the cover. Make up images of Minecraft characters from the squares. For example, Stevie's head. Ben makes up the head of the main Minecraft character from the soft pixels. He can spend all class doing this. But his neighbor also has a weird notebook from Fortnite. It's way better than any Minecraft sketchbook. Take a notebook and a Fortnite logo stencil. Put the stencil onto the cover and paint it white. Remove the stencil. Adjust it with white paint. Add decorative stars. Coat it with clear acrylic polish. Fold a printed map of the game and glue it inside the notebook. Add a title. Stevie presents all the benefits of his notebook. The image on the cover is amazing, but there is also a map hidden inside. You can easily plan a landing. In math class, we will land on the frozen lake. The guys are busy with their notebooks. What will the judge with the pickaxe say? But Miss Smith votes for Ben's stress-relieving notebook. The soft Minecraft is the winner, and Minecraft opens the scoring 1-0. What is Stevie looking at so carefully? He and a llama are trying to stare each other down. He wants to tame it, but the llama always wins. What a stubborn animal! Wrap a plastic bottle in light clay. Shape a llama head. Prick nostrils with wire. Attach ears, eyes, pupils and white teeth. Add strips of clay to be a bridle. Hot glue pieces of wire to make a base. Cut a bendy pencil. Take out the lead and put the pieces onto the wire-like cases. Color the legs with acrylic paint. Define black hooves. Make a hole in a rectangular box. Coat the box with acrylic paint. Attach the llama head and the legs to it. Hot glue satin ribbons to be a tail. Cover the body and the neck with sticky tabs. Put on a cardboard saddle. Attach a sign with an arrow using paper clips. Stevie shows off his llama. It's more than just an animal, it's an actual organizer. The llama stores useful stuff inside. How cute! Stevie is the first Fortnite player who managed to tame a llama. He knows for sure where to find it. Ben starts looking for something to beat his friend. Minecraft has a ton of interesting stuff too, but he suddenly hears a strange noise. It's a creeper hissing loudly. Oh no! It's about to explode! Ben gets what he was looking for after the explosion. His creeper marker. Draw 1/8 inch squares on glittering self-adhesive foam rubber sheets. Cut them out. Make squares of different colors. Cover a marker with them. Make up a creeper image. On the sides, attach squares a little bit far away from each other as if they're dispersing. It turns out that this creeper is not scary at all. It's a game mob marker. It's completely harmless. We wait for Miss Smith's verdict. The pickaxe of justice points at Stevie. The cute llama organizer wins in this round. Fortnite ties the score 1-1. Ben has a fun pencil sharpener. It's a pet sheep from Minecraft. Make 2 sheep legs from square beads and dice. Attach a pencil sharpener as a body. Add 1 more layer of dice on top. Make a sheep head from dice and beads. Paint it white. Attach cardboard and paint a geometrical sheep face from Minecraft. Define the hooves with brown acrylic paint. Add the signature pixels on the body. Ben puts the sheep onto the desk, and Stevie immediately laughs at his neighbor. Are we in kindergarten? But when Stevie breaks his pencil, the sheep comes to the rescue because it's a handy 4-legged pencil sharpener. Does Ben need an eraser? No worries. Stevie will call for help now, and they will throw down a supply drop. An eraser box to the coordinates on the map. The parcel lands where we need it, just in time. Cut 2 squares out of an eraser. Hot glue them together. Cut out some eraser strips. Cut half of the strips and hot glue them to the sides of the cube, shaping a cross. Add dots with silver acrylic paint. Make them look like nails. Cut wire and wrap the entire cube with it. Attach a golden Christmas tree ornament on top. Stevie opens the parcel. It's an eraser for Ben. Mutual help. Ben erases the pencil marks right away, but Miss Smith picks out her winner. On second thought, she points her pickaxe at Ben. The sheep wins. Minecraft is the winner again, 2-1. Ben has a 3D model of Stevie, the Minecraft character. But what's inside? It turns out that Stevie from Minecraft is thinking about paper clips. Make 4 sides of a Minecraft character from Creative Mosaic. Cut out squares along with the base. Cut off the extra grid. Coat the mosaic with acrylic paints of Minecraft's iconic colors. Paint the face and hair. Hot glue the facets to a square paperclip box. Cover the borders with mosaic pieces. Paint them brown. Cover the grid of the mosaic. Put in paper clips. Ben presents his head organizer, and his neighbor laughs at him. Who needs a lonely head? so he gets hit on the shoulder. You shouldn't have laughed at your friend. But Stevie has also come prepared. If a fight starts, he drinks liquid from his Chug Jug in a pencil case. It will increase his level of protection. Paint the lid of a food container blue. Coat the container with acrylic paint. Create a transition from blue to turquoise. Paint the bottom dark blue. Cut black foam polyethylene into 1-inch wide strips, long and short ones. Attach 3 long strips to the container to make rings. Join them with short strips. Make it look like a Chug Jug. Coat the base with silver acrylic paint and cover the borders of the container too. Attach a silver circle of foam polyethylene to the lid. Stevie drinks the liquid. He's fearless now. He bravely endures all hits and easily beats Ben. The neighbor also needs a Chug Jug. Ben drinks the liquid and becomes super strong. Miss Smith has her own battle with the pickaxe of justice. But she gives a point to Ben once again. And classic Minecraft wins! Did you like our game-inspired school supplies? Then write in the comments which supplies you liked more, Minecraft or Fortnite. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new weird school supplies on Troom.